Dear ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, we are pleased to welcome you to this fifth International Conference, Microbiology and Immunology, the Development Outlook in 21st century. And we sincerely thank everyone who has shown interest in joining our forum. First of all, I would like to thank the university leadership for this great support in helping organize this conference. And we are very grateful to the European Federation of Immunological Societies for the support, for financial support for our young participants. And a special thanks goes to the armed forces of Ukraine, whose courage and dedication have made it possible for us to continue our studies, our work, and to hold this conference today. And now I invite the president of Vinogradsky Society of Microbiologists of Ukraine, our co-organizer, academician Valentin Podgorský, to take the floor.
Доброго дня. Мені дуже приємно бути на цій конференції, яка проходить під егідою.
Good day. It's a pleasure for me to be present at this conference of microbiological conference that is happening with the support of the Society of
Microbiology and Virology.
Microbiology and Virology of Ukraine.
Я також хочу сказати, що буквально майже через місяць відбудеться 16-й з'їзд мікробіологів України.
I'm also happy to inform you that soon there will be a conference of the microbiologists of
Ukraine. І це об'єднання конференції, на якій ми присутні, і з'їзду мікробіологів України.
And this unit at which we're present and
дуже важливо, тому що ми спочатку послухаємо і побачимо видатні доповіді, які відбудуться на цій конференції.
It's very important. This is very important for us because at first we will listen to reports at this conference.
А потім деякі з нас поїдуть в Тернопіль на з'їзд мікробіологів України.
And then some of us will leave to Ternopil for the conference of the microbiologists of Ukraine.
І там ми почуємо доповіді, які представлені мікробіологами і вірусологами цієї нашої України.
And there we will listen to reports presented by all the microbiologists and virusologists of Ukraine.
І це говорить про те, що мікробіологи, імунологи, вірусологи нашої країни
And this tells us about that the microbiologists, virologists, and immunologists of our country
активно працюють в цей дуже важливий для нашої країни час.
Are actively engaged in this important time for our country.
Ще раз моє вітання з початком роботи конференції.
My greetings at the outset of the conference with the beginning of it.
Thank you, Valentin Stepanovich. And now I invite academician Mykola Spivak, director of the Institute of Microbiology and Virology of the National Academy of Ukraine, to speak.
Шановні колеги, дорогі друзі.
Dear colleagues, dear friends.
Шановні колеги, дорогі друзі. Мені прекрасно вітати вас сьогодні з тим знаменним днем. Днем нашої спільної роботи, яка направлена на майбутній розвиток і мікробіології, і імунології, а також і вірусології. Ви знаєте, я таке прислів'я, що без науки немає освіти, а без освіти немає науки. Тому ми з радістю чекаємо ваших студентів, ваших колег, які можуть в нашому інституті здобути ще ті знання, які дає освіта, але перетворити їх знання в науку. Пера з пера адаст. Разом ми переможемо. Дякую вам.
So I'm very happy to greet you with the beginning of this conference. As there is a saying that without education there isn't science, and without science there isn't education. So this is a very important meeting, and I'm happy to greet you here.
Thank you, Mykola Yakovich. And now I invite the academician Andriy Sibirny, member of the board of directors of the Federation of European Microbiological Societies and director of the Institute of Cell Biology at the National Academy of Sciences of Ukraine, to present.
Oh, here is better. So best greetings from Lviv and also from Delft, the Netherlands, where is the headquarters of Federation of European Microbiological Society. I like to tell a few words on FEMS. FEMS supports microbiology research around all Europe and also pay grants for attending the conference, for organizing the conference, and for short-term sabbaticals. This year, FEMS organized 11 Congress of European Microbiologists in Milan, Italy, on the days from 14 to 18 of July. And it will be a big event, which will gather, I think, more than 2,000 microbiologists around of Europe and also outside of Europe. I am happy that I won contest for organizing of session, because Congress consists of several sessions and workshops. And I am organizer of the session on advances in yeast biotechnology, and invited 7 speakers, which include me, Ukraine, and also colleagues from Italy, Sweden, Portugal, Poland, and Chile, outside of Europe. I hope that some of you also plan to attend this Congress. I hope to see you there. I also hope to see you in Ternopil, because 16th Congress of Ukrainian Microbiological Society is a very important event, which will be organized during the wartime. I wish great success to your conference and hope for collaboration between capital Kyiv Science and Lviv Science.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you, Andriy Andreevich. And now it's my honor and it's my great pleasure to invite Professor Hanna Tolstanova, Vice Rector of our for research of our university, to take the floor.
Okay, so probably I have to stand up since all the colleagues and all the guests also stand up. I'm as a Vice Rector for Research at Taras Shevchenko National University of Kyiv, and also on behalf of Rector of all the university, I'm really delighted to be not only in the presidium of this event, and but also to be the speaker. And currently, the topic of the conference is really reliable for the current situation in Ukraine, since we know that the air pollutions and the consequence of the war affected the health, and also, we know that we need to understand more precisely the molecular mechanisms of these side effects. And the microbiome as a part of the existence of a human being and also immune system is a really very important focus and topic for this research. Also, I'm really delighted that in this auditorium and also in a virtual auditorium, we have a lot of young faces. It's probably students, PhD students and young researchers. And for us, as for university with the main mission to educate the young generation of citizens of Ukraine as well as the future researchers and the real elite of our country, organizing such conference in the hybrid mode by the Institute of Biology and Medicine of our university, and especially the regular organizing this conference. This one is a fifth conference on so high level with the different types of trainings and workshops which allow all the students and young researchers to train their hands-on skills in the topic of microbiology and immunology is really highly important and highly appreciated by our university. I would like to thank you very much, Professor Skivka, and also our prominent colleagues from the National Academy of Science of Ukraine, as well as the European Association of Microbiologists. We really recognize this support. And I would like to wish the successful presentations. I would like to wish all the young generation of researchers to get the valuable insights, to listen carefully and learn something for yourself and learn how to present yourself and understand that do research is a part of gaining the skills during the study year in the university, which help you to find yourself after the graduation. Thank you very much.
Thank you.